Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami hat. The model is made of two pieces that simply go inside each other. No glue needed. Unless you want to glue something to decorate. This version is very easy to fold, and the best part is that each piece uses only half a square of paper, so you can start with a square and just cut in half. To make it easier, you can first fold one side to the other, just to mark the middle. And cut or tear the paper in the same mark. To make the first piece, start by folding the paper in half. Then fold it in half vertically. Unfold it. Fold the two top corners. And unfold them as well. Next, open the right side. And flatten the top section into a triangle. Then fold it back to the right. Repeat the same thing on the left side. Now, fold both sides to the middle. Flip the paper over and repeat the same step. Now fold the bottom section up. Unfold it. Fold the bottom edge to the center crease we just made. And unfold it again. We're going to open the paper in the middle by folding these two new diagonal creases. Start by folding the right side. Then do the same on the left. And with those 2 diagonal folds in place, fold the paper up, this is what it should look like. Flip the paper over and repeat the same process on the other side. First fold the paper up, then fold it to the center, fold those 2 diagonals in the middle, and finally close the paper up. And we have the first piece. The last step is to open the paper. And that's the result. Now, take the other rectangle of paper and repeat the same steps to make an identical piece. Once both pieces are ready, we're going to fit one inside the other . And as the final step, tuck the remaining corner flaps into each other. And that's it! Our origami hat is ready! As I said before, it's a very simple model, but the final result looks really beautiful. Now you can decorate it however you like. I'm just going to add a small red strip of paper around it. And that's my hat. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and leave a comment down below telling me what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time!